which unfortunately brought down the school and caused the children to have to move to a different location. However, this location being built back up even better than before, and right now we're going to discuss what exactly is being done to fix up the community. So, Irene, can you talk about what is being worked on at the moment with the former children's home, soon to be once again children's home?
Okay, now after the arson attack, now we started looking around for the help, for people to help us so that at least now we can build for the children a center to rebuild. And with that, we started getting some well wishes. And this is where now the CPK, that is a Kenya-based Christian camp, came in and with the help of Mr. Eric, he came in and he offered he will help on the side of construction, and then also now other people coming in helping on the small things like maybe putting on the water tanks, like the Lift the Children organization. Also, it has also come in to support us on that. So we are hoping that soon the home will be finished, maybe in the course of next week, so that at least children will be back to their normal place. And although now it will be in a better place because it is not the same the way it was before. So we are hoping to continue maintaining the place. We also still need your help because the place requires a lot of maintenance also, so that we continue keeping it that way. And then also, being that we are renting the place, we feel that it will be good for us to own the place so that at least we are secure and children are secure. And so that is what we are working on. So your daily support will be very important for us. And then also any other item that can come in, it can really help us because we are now coming to a new life and everything will be totally new. Also now starting a new system of life and then coming back to the routine whereby now children has now to start going to school. We need also to start planning for them because January is just yet close to us, and even also being that they are here, we also need to make their Christmas beautiful. Absolutely. And also psychologically, because with those fires, they are really traumatized inside. So we feel like it is also good for them also to just have some psychological support, and it also requires like funding, also just even a therapy, even for them going some outing just to make a fresh air in the memories that really passed, because it was a very bad incident that no one will ever want to see. You see some children, they get some things that they really love, and if you get now it go to ban, you get now you will continue feeling that you really miss that thing because of the memory. But we are happy that we are coming back to the house soon, and we thank all those that have been supporting us and those who have been supporting us. We continue urging people to come on board so that they can continue supporting our initiative, so that we can continue supporting the children, because they are the change members, they are the growing up generation that can change the world.
Absolutely right. Well, I figure we can walk inside and just places that are available to walk in and just take a look at what's being done as well. Anything serious. So you guys can see the further being worked on. Absolutely, go.
Yeah, so this is now the place where the guests will be coming, and when we have the event, this is the place that children will be sitting with the guests. Our open air, our open ground where children just relax.
Awesome. Well, hopefully, pretty sure the next week everything will be up and running, and the children will be back at their original home. And once again, thank you, Irene, for everything you've done. This is amazing. She's doing this all by herself. The thing, a strong woman doing this all by herself. A lot of times that's not acknowledged. I think we as human beings in general need to acknowledge one another and acknowledge the contributions, especially when the individuals doing it solo, such as Irene. Give back in any way you can. Any way you can. Your presence alone will help inspire the children, because as Irene said, the experience with the arson was quite the traumatic experience. To see that there was a those are people out there that care and want to help out and help out Irene with such a God-sent organization will really contribute to the overall progressive development of the children's home and the community at large. Once again, thank you for your support. Thank you, Irene. Thank you. God bless.